Hey crypto enthusiasts! Have you ever been on a crypto buying spree, accumulating a stack of your favorite coins, only to hit a roadblock when it comes to taking some profits? It can be a frustrating experience, especially if you weren't aware of withdrawal limits. So, what exactly are withdrawal limits? Think of them as safety measures put in place by cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken. They essentially set a maximum amount of crypto you can withdraw within a specific time frame, typically a 24-hour period. These limits exist for a few key reasons. Security: large withdrawals can be a red flag, potentially indicating unauthorized access or hacking attempts. Limits help slow down suspicious activity and give Kraken time to investigate if needed. Financial stability: exchanges need to maintain a healthy balance of crypto assets to facilitate trading. Unrestricted withdrawals could disrupt this balance and impact other users. Regulation: compliance with various financial regulations often dictates how exchanges handle withdrawals. Now, let's dive into the specifics of Kraken's withdrawal limits. The good news is, Kraken offers tiered withdrawal limits based on your account verification level. The higher your verification level, the higher your withdrawal limits. Here's a breakdown. Tier 0, Starter Verification. This is the basic level you get upon sign-up. It comes with the lowest withdrawal limits, typically around $2,500 per day and $10,000 per month. Tier 1, Intermediate Verification. This level requires some additional information like ID verification. Here, the limits increase significantly, often reaching $25,000 daily and $250,000 monthly. Tier 2, Advanced Verification. This is the highest level, requiring extensive verification procedures. Tier 2 accounts boast the highest withdrawal limits, which can be as high as $500,000 per day and $7,500,000 per month. Keep in mind these are just general examples, and the actual limits may vary depending on your specific circumstances. How do you increase your withdrawal limit on Kraken? Simple: you need to verify your account. Head over to your Kraken account settings and follow the steps for each verification tier. The process typically involves providing documents like government ID, proof of residence, and potentially even selfies for additional security. Here are some additional points to consider. Fiat withdrawals: limits for withdrawing fiat currencies, like USD or Euro, might differ from crypto withdrawals. Be sure to check Kraken's specific guidelines. Verification time: the verification process can take some time, so plan accordingly if you anticipate needing to make large withdrawals soon. Alternative options: if you need to withdraw a larger amount than your current limit allows, consider breaking it down into smaller withdrawals over a few days. Alternatively, you could explore peer-to-peer, P2P, trading platforms that might offer more flexibility, although these often come with their own set of risks. Remember, withdrawal limits are there for your protection and the overall stability of the exchange. By understanding these limits and the verification process, you can ensure a smooth and secure experience when it comes to taking your crypto profits off the exchange. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.